Claude Code just quietly shipped one of the smartest agent features I've seen. It's called AutoDream, and it does exactly what it sounds like. Your AI agent literally dreams. It reviews all your past session transcripts, even 900 plus sessions. It identifies what's still relevant. It prunes stale or contradictory memories. It consolidates everything into organized, indexed files. And it replaces vague references like today with actual dates. It runs in the background while you work, mimicking how the human brain consolidates memory during REM sleep. This is not marketing fluff. Let me show you how it works. Here's the problem AutoDream solves. A couple months ago, Claude Code shipped Auto Memory. The agent writes notes to itself based on your corrections and preferences across sessions. Great in theory. Claude remembers that you prefer two-space indentation. It remembers your project uses Postgres, not MySQL. It remembers the build command that actually works. But by session 20, your memory file is bloated with noise. Contradictory entries from when you changed your mind about something. Stale context from bugs you fixed weeks ago. Vague time references like today that mean nothing 3 weeks later. The memory that was supposed to make Claude smarter actually starts making it worse. It's the same problem humans face. Without sleep, without dream consolidation, your memories become a disorganized mess that hurts more than it helps. AutoDream mimics the human brain's consolidation process during REM sleep. Here's what it does step by step. First, it reviews all your past session transcripts. Every conversation you've had with Claude Code in that project, even if you have hundreds of sessions. Second, it identifies what's still relevant. Information that's been superseded, contradicted, or made obsolete gets flagged. Third, it prunes. Stale entries are removed. Contradictions are resolved in favor of the most recent instruction. Noise is eliminated. Fourth, it consolidates everything into organized, indexed topic files. Debugging patterns, API conventions, build configurations, each in their own file. Fifth, and this is clever, it replaces vague temporal references. Today becomes March 24th, 2026. Last week becomes an actual date range. This means your memory stays meaningful, regardless of when it was written. You can trigger a dream manually with the /dream command, or let it run automatically. AutoDream triggers only after 2 conditions are met: at least 24 hours since the last consolidation, and at least 5 sessions since the last dream. This prevents it from running too frequently and burning unnecessary compute. When it runs, it operates read-only on your project code. It can see your files, but can't modify them. It only has write access to the memory directory at .claudeprojects/your project/memory. It uses a lock file so 2 instances can't conflict if you have multiple sessions open. The whole process runs in the background without interrupting your work. You won't even notice it happening unless you check the memory command. Let's look at the official documentation. Claude Code's memory system has 2 layers. CLAUDE.md files are instructions you write. Project architecture, coding standards, workflows. Auto memory is notes Claude writes itself. Build commands, debugging insights, preferences it discovers from your corrections. Auto memory lives in a per-project directory at .claude/projects. The first 200 lines of memory.md load at the start of every conversation. Topic files like debugging.md or patterns.md are read on demand when Claude needs them. AutoDream runs on top of this, periodically consolidating the auto memory directory to keep it clean, organized, and contradiction-free. Let's be concrete about what changes when a dream runs. Your memory directory before dreaming might have a bloated memory.md with 200 lines of unorganized notes, duplicate entries, and vague dates. After dreaming, memory.md is a concise index, under 200 lines, with links to organized topic files. The topic files contain the detailed information, debugging patterns you've established, API design decisions, build configurations that work, testing approaches you prefer. Each file is clearly structured with actual dates instead of relative references. Entries that contradict each other are resolved. Information from sessions that are no longer relevant is removed entirely. Your memory goes from a junk drawer to a filing cabinet. Here's what I find fascinating about this. We're increasingly modeling AI agents after human biology. We have sub-agent teams that mirror org structures. A lead agent that delegates to specialists, just like a manager delegating to engineers. We have memory systems that accumulate knowledge over time, like human long-term memory. And now we have agents that dream to consolidate that memory, pruning what's irrelevant and strengthening what matters, just like REM sleep does for the human brain. The best AI tooling in 2026 isn't about bigger context windows. It's about smarter memory management. AutoDream is a signal of where agent design is heading, not just executing tasks, but maintaining themselves. Agents that get better over time, not worse. AutoDream is live in Claude Code right now. Run/memory to check your dream status. Run/dream to trigger one manually. Or just keep working and let it happen automatically. Links in the description. Subscribe to Prism Labs. We catch the features that ship quietly and tell you why they matter. See you in the next one.